join you today back in Warrington, and we've come to see the Warrington Transporter Bridge. And the unusual way of going to see this is we walk on a public footpath which goes through a chemical plant. So here we go. So you join us on the public footpath. I'm going to have a look at the Warrington Transporter Bridge. It's a bit of a strange one, this. It's a nice industrial one for anyone that likes industry. And anyone from Warrington or the surrounding areas will have heard of the pink eye. I'll show you that near the end of the video. So this is a chemical plant, a live chemical plant. As you can see there, and as you can probably hear, this is live. This is a working plant. There's also some train tracks next to us, which do in fact lead all the way up to Fiddler's Ferry Power Station, which incidentally is being decommissioned. Says, beware, you are entering a chemical site, please keep to the marked public footpath, CCTV is in operation. In a site emergency, this gate will be locked. So we'll take you through. Again, a sign there. Warning, the public must keep to the green line on footpath. Let's see. This is a live site. Let's see the emissions coming out there. So carry on and have a wander up here. Hopefully, might even see a train. Who knows? A little building here. It's the manufacturing centre. Oh, we'll stick to our green line. There's the River Mersey just over the wall there. Level crossing. Three guys. So we're not allowed to go that way. And the green line stops there and then starts again over here. See, and I'll just carry on up here. Lots of cars about, with people in work. I've come up on a Saturday morning. A beautiful day. The sun is shining It is really warm. In contrast to the last few days, which have not been too good. So we thought, why not? We'll get out and we'll do a little bit. See, we did pass a workman there. Some public footpath, keep following this green line. I just can't believe you can actually walk through a live site. A silicate plant there. We've got a tanker wash over that way. As you can see, plenty going on. And that building, that's an old building. As we look back, you can see there. And that one, guys, potassium hydroxide. So it is a live site. It is a public footpath. So it looks like we're crossing over the other side of the road. We're going to follow this line. As you can see the little sign on that tank there. Public footpath, follow the green line. Which we are doing. And we shouldn't have anyone come and bother us. And there, in the distance, you can see that is what we have come to see. The Warrington Transporter Bridge. You see down here. You see that there. Water in there. Some sort of little sluice gate. We'll carry on. We've got a good view of that there, guys. Look at that. In all its glory. Super, eh? A good shot of that. Brilliant. So you can actually see the flow of the river there. Whether you can see that. As we look back and see. So we'll carry on. So we have to stay behind this barrier now, so that we're off site. It's a little bit overgrown on this bit, but we'll get through. So hope you guys are enjoying this video. If you are, please like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you get to find out when the next videos are coming up. And just look at this, guys. I don't know what this is. I don't know where you can see that. Really, really shiny. Try and zoom that in for you guys. Just hope you get the shine of it on the sun. Some sort of chemicals anyway. Some sort of chemicals there, guys. It is a little bit overgrown in this area. We'll get through and get right up to that bridge. Quite a few nettles here, as you can see. So not like many people come up this way, guys. We'll work our way through. There's probably an easier way to get here, but through a chemical plant. It's a bit more exciting, isn't it? So, worked our way through there. We're nearly here. So, here we have it, guys. The Warrington Transporter Bridge, or the Banky Transporter Bridge. The structural steel transporter bridge goes across the River Mersey in Warrington, Cheshire. It's a total length of 103 metres. It's got a width of 9 metres. It's 27 metres high. It was designed by William Henry Hunter. It was construction started in 1913 and it was opened in 1916 until it closed in 1964. It fell into disuse in approximately 1964. The bridge was constructed to connect the two parts of the large chemical and soap works of Joseph Crossfield and Sons. It was originally designed to carry rail vehicles up to 18 tons long. 18 long tons in weight, and was converted for road vehicles in 1940. In 1953, it was further modified to carry loads of up to 30 tons. It was the second of two transporter bridges across the Mersey at Warrington. The first was erected in 1905, slightly to the north of the existing bridge, and was described in the Engineer in 1908. A third transporter bridge over the Mersey was the Widnes and Runcorn Transporter Bridge, built in 1905 and dismantled in 1961. What a feat of engineering. Absolutely beautiful. Look at that, guys. I'll zoom in on the other side for you there. You can see that. In all its glory, guys. Superb, that. So it's one of only 3 remaining transporter bridges left in the UK. Absolutely wonderful, that is. You can actually see some markings on the floor here. Somerson, Darlington. And you can actually see there, that is one of the train tracks there. Where the train was gone in the bridge. And then the other one will be in here, under this grass bit here. That will be about the right width for the train, wouldn't it? So there you go, so the train would have came in. It's gone onto the bridge, transported across, and straight back onto the tracks on this side. You can see how it is deteriorating now. And some of the brickwork. You can see some cracks in that brickwork now. Such a shame. Such a shame. Yeah, you can see a big crack along the top there. And you can see that, guys, there. Brickwork is starting to fail there at the top. So, as we walk back, just a little bit more information. Just to say, the bridge is recorded in the National Heritage List for England as a designated Grade 2 listed building, and because of its poor condition, it's on the Heritage at Risk Register. The bridge is protected as a scheduled ancient monument. A local group of friends of Warrington Transporter Bridge was formed in April 2015 to act as an independent voice of the bridge. The group is liaising with other interest groups to safeguard the future of the bridge and its industrial heritage status. The group has been featured on the local BBC News programme North West Tonight and has set up a website for the bridge along with Facebook and Twitter pages. In 2016, the bridge was nominated for the Institution of Civil Engineers North West Heritage Award. So it's not being forgotten about, guys. It's certainly not being forgotten about. I don't think the video or any pictures would do it justice of just how big it is when you're actually next to it. You can imagine with the tons that used to carry across. Again, you can see the flow of the Mersey. It comes round in a U shape here. I'll put a picture of the map up and show you exactly whereabouts it is. You'll see the U shape of the Mersey. It's such a lovely day to come down here. I think if you do walk a little bit further on, it is a little bit overgrown at this time of year. If you came in an earlier or later part of the year, it would be a little bit better. It wouldn't be as overgrown. And you can go over to the other side. You see all the workings of the actual bridge and the little bridge house there, right in the middle, on the other side. I'll just zoom in so you can see that. You can see in the middle of the two stanchions, you see the little bridge house and the actual workings of the bridge. Superb engineering at the time and still even now. And of course, it mentioned the links across the Mersey. You now have two Runcorn and Widnes bridges. Of course, we have the original one, and they also built a new one a couple of years ago. Maybe a future video we could visit there. So we work our way through here. I'll just show you guys exactly. So we are here. Just come through that, guys. It is a little bit overgrown. We'll make our way through, just so we can bring you some good content. You can see the bridge behind us there. Warrington Transporter Bridge. One of only 3 left in the UK. So, such a lovely day. We go back through a live industrial site, the chemical factory. I'm not sure whether it's ICI. Sure on that one, guys. It was definitely working today. I was hoping we'd see a train. I'll just flip you around. As we walk back through. Some of the views from across the River Mersey. So that was in the soap factory. So the train or vehicles come over the bridge from the soap factory to the chemical factory and vice versa. How amazing is that? Brilliant. So if you do come here, you do want to visit the Transporter Bridge, you want to come this way, please respect the public right of way and just keep into that green line and then behind the fence, behind this metal fence, guys. Let's say, and once we leave here, we come back to our green line. We do respect that. As they say, it is a working site. There's CCTV around. I'm sure if we started wandering around, security would come out. As you know, any chemicals can be dangerous. All them tanks. So I'll give you guys a good shot of all that. As we head across the road, keep into this green line. All the raw materials, it says in this bit. It's when all the raw materials are brought in. There's lots of noise. There's lots of people working today. I don't know what they are there, them blocks. Assume there's something to do. Mixing up with chemicals. I'm sure they are. There's lots of them. The compressor house and the gas house. Substation 5. Yeah, right. We're heading back down towards the railway crossing, guys. It's the first one, here's another one further up. None of the workers seem too worried. Walking through it is a public footpath. Like I say, as long as you stick to the green line, and that's absolutely fine. Up there. That looks really, them tanks look really old. It also looks in use. So, I don't know. If it's anyone that does know, if them tanks are still in use, let me know. So as we head back out, guys, down this little path. other side of here, here's another little railway crossing. And you'll see the pink eye. For anyone that knows it, will know what I mean. And if you don't, you'll see why it's called the pink eye. Well, if I'm correct, the pink eye, the actual building, I'm almost sure it was Mr. Smith's, the nightclub, many years ago. If any of you remember that building being Mr. Smith's and the nightclub, let me know. If I'm wrong, let me know. As we come to the end of this path, you will see another level crossing. There's actually someone in there, so just get used. As you can see, the pink eye. I'll show you why now. Head over the lines. There you have. And there's why it's called the pink eye. So, well, thank you for watching. Thank you for joining me on my journey. Please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of the future ones. So thank you and goodbye. See you on the next one.